I welcome you all to yet another part wherein now I'm going to discuss about what happens when too many sessions are open in the collaborator. Now, for example, when I'm working on and I simultaneously open, let's say, 5 to 6 windows and I'm working on the browser, so does it have any kind of an effect on my own running code which I'm working on right now? So let's have a look at it. Now, this is the code that I have randomly taken, preparing a list, I should say, in which you can see that already I have uploaded the video on how to create a simple list. Now, when I'm doing, I have created this one, I have entered the code. Now, I want to go ahead and take care of the output. Now, I want the output, so I do control enter. Now, once I'm taking care of it, the moment I do, I got this kind of a error which says that yes, there are too many errors in your I should say, not errors, I would say there are too many sessions which are opened in your browser. Now, at that time you will see that it becomes very difficult for me to carry the process and I won't get the output immediately. So this is one of the things that you need to understand, that simultaneously if you're working and you have opened too many browsers, see, this is the message that you get is too many sessions, you have too many active sessions which are open, terminate an existing session to continue. So you can either cancel or manage the sessions in case you have not saved and you have not copied the code that you're working on. So this kind of difficulty comes in and you will not get the output immediately. So you see the active sessions, this is the window wherein we can see how many sessions are open, and all of them are open in Google Drive. So this is something which is very important for us to remember, number one. Number two, we have to go ahead and see that yes, I am terminating each one of them, in the sense that I have copied because it is there in my drive, so I know that yes, it is going to be heavier for my own system. So what will I do is that I start terminating those programs which are I don't need at the moment, and once they are terminated I can close and I can go back and check out with my output also. So this is something good to know for all of us while we are working on the collaborator. I hope this small tip also really matters to us and helps us to run the code in the long run. I hope all of you like it. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.